Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in an EPM mortgage. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get logged in into your EPM mortgage account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference, and once you tap open the web browser, type in the URL www.epmwholesale.com. To doing so, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the hamburger like icon, and there you can find the login option. So in the login section, tap on the wholesale department, and once you're in the wholesale section, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply type in your email address and then tap on the continue button to get logged in into your EPM mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.